Hi guys, and welcome. Today I'm going to be cleaning the fish tank out. It can be a job, but I'm going to show my son the ins and outs. Alright, Luke. Pay attention, son. Pay attention. Pay attention. Alright, so you see the little ship over here, huh?
Yeah, I see a little ship.
Alright.
And a catfish running by your stomach.
Well, it's kind of like caught up over here on this plant, so let's get this going. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that.
Yeah.
It has outstanding buoyancy. Look at that, look at that, look at that.
Wow.
Yeah, we're going to go ahead and get it so it starts cycling. I'll bring it back over this way. Well, some of you may notice that I have egg crate screening running across the top of the that's because at one point I had live crabs in here, and they are excellent escape artists. They can get out of almost any type of tank if you don't have it crab proof. So I ended up running eggshell crate or grid across the top of it, and then I came back across it with plexiglass.